Hey there! Before you head out on the water, I would like to share with you the many different types of life jackets for your chosen activity. All life jackets have labels that will tell you the size, activity it can be used for, and most importantly, if it has been U.S. Coast Guard approved. Note that some life jackets are universal in size and some have size ranges. For instance, if you are out on a boat fishing, these inflatable life jackets are a great option. If you are looking to enjoy higher speed water sports such as jet skiing, wakeboarding, tubing, and others, these types of life jackets would be a perfect choice. It is also important to note that when on a kayak or stand-up paddleboard, you must have a life jacket. They make life jackets specifically for paddle sports, with pockets and all sorts of other bells and whistles. If you're boating in winter conditions, a float coat is an excellent option, and they even come in camouflage. No matter what life jacket you choose, make sure it's in good working condition. Ensure that all zippers, buckles, and straps are functioning properly. However you choose to spend your time outdoors and on the water, just remember, wear your life jacket, be safe, and have fun.